Good day everyone, this is Echo 419, and today we're taking a look at my very first Gunpla kit, the HGUC Gouf Custom. Let's begin. The high-grade Gouf Custom is an amazing kit, and I built my particular one back in February of 2016. Over the years it has held up amazingly well and has not become floppy, high-grade iron-blooded orphans, nor a hand grenade, real-grade Zeta. I chose this particular kit as my first for a few reasons. I wanted my first kit to be something different from the standard RX-78 Gundam or Zaku, and I used to be a member of the website gundamforums.com, where the majority of the members believed in the Mono-Eye Master Race. I couldn't let down my mono-eyed loving brethren, so I had to choose something Xeon-esque. The Gouf Custom also isn't the most common for a first kit, so that's why I chose it. Being my first kit, all I did was a straight build. I didn't use any of the included stickers, and instead painted the main camera, weapons sight, and inside of the thrusters all in red. I won't be doing a full review of this kit since there's so many videos like that out there. Like the one that Prime92 did several years ago, which also inspired me to get this kit. To show off the stability of this 7-year-old build, we're going to do the tried and true Mechagoikotsu man handle shake test. As you can see, it held up very well and is not a floppy mess. The only spot that noticeably moved around was the left arm at the shoulder, and that's to be expected because of all the weight it's holding. If I were to lock the shoulder into the locking tab, it wouldn't have any support issues. For a size comparison, here is the Gouf Custom next to the RX-78-2 Gundam, and the always bulky Zaku 3. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. DJ, play my outro.